Howdy y'all, this is McBean coming at you with a Minecraft Bedrock 26.0 plus automatic mud farm. This mud farm is based off of JCPlays design. I just added in the automatic water bottle refiller that takes it back up and refills your dispenser. All right, in order to build this farm, you'll start with 33 solid blocks. It doesn't matter which solid block, I just chose granite. 30 pieces of glass, 3 chests, 5 hoppers, 18 pieces of redstone dust, 2 dispensers, specifically dispensers, 4 redstone torches, 1 redstone comparator, 2 redstone repeaters, 10 pistons, and you'll need 8 water buckets, or just 1 bucket and an infinite water source, but you'll need 8 in total. 1 stack of glass bottles to run the farm normally, and 41 glass bottles to help sort the hopper. 1 lever for the redstone clock, 1 piece of soul sand for the bubble vader, and 1 piece of ice to get the bottles back over to the chest. So to start the build, you'll take your solid blocks and glass, place 1 block there, move 2 blocks, place another block, take a sacrificial block, put it up and over, and then place a glass block there, remove, and you'll have this little weird U shape. You'll take a redstone comparator, put the 2 prongs facing back and the 1 prong facing that way. Take a repeater and place it the opposite direction going into that block. A redstone torch back here, and 3 redstone dust up here. You'll then take your hopper, shift click it onto the comparator there. You'll take a chest, put it here, and then shift click a hopper onto it over there. You'll place your dispenser on top of the hopper. Take your solid blocks, place 1, 2, 3, and you'll place a redstone torch there with 2 dust right there, and take your pistons, put 1 there. This is going to be the mud maker, and it will take your water bottles, sort them into water or glass bottles after it shoots the water into the mud. So here we need to take our 41 glass bottles and put them in there with 1, 2, 3, 4 solid blocks, and this will sort our hopper and make sure that nothing else goes through it. Next, you'll take your solid blocks and go to the back of the farm. You'll want to place 10 blocks starting from this hopper underneath the dispenser. So shift and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Take your pistons out, and you'll place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, being sure to leave a space in between the dispenser and the pistons. Take your solid blocks, and on the other end, place 1, 2, and 3 blocks. Then place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 blocks. And then put redstone on top of each of these blocks, going around the corner. Then on this side, you'll place a redstone torch, and this torch will tell all these pistons, hey, the mud has lined up and needs to be pushed out. Each piston line here can push 17 blocks out. So your total amount of mud you can make at a time with this farm is 17 times 9. So this is where the tutorial from JCPlays about ends. This farm will make all the mud you want, but it'll be pretty much semi-automatic. You're still going to have to place and refill and do everything in order to keep it running. So at the chest where the glass bottles empty into, you'll want to go down 1 block, place a dispenser here and make sure it is facing outwards. You'll go down, shift click a hopper onto the dispenser. So this will now suck the empty bottles out, push it into this dispenser. Now, we want to activate this dispenser to shoot the water bottles into our water tunnel, which will go over and refill the dispenser. So, place 1 block here, a block here, and a block here. You'll take a redstone repeater, face it this way, put a torch, and shift click a piece of redstone there, and you'll see that it'll start clicking and ticking. So every time there is an empty bottle in here, anytime there's an empty bottle in the chest, you'll see that it'll shoot it out. Now, in order to get that to stop and not constantly be doing that, you'll place the lever on the bottom block and just flick it off. Now that we have our redstone clock for our bottles, we want to create our water tunnel. So you want to put a source of water here so that the empty glass bottles will get filled. Go over 1 block, dig down 1 block, grab your soul sand, and place it at the bottom. Put another source of water at the top. So there should be 2 sources of water, one with bubbles that go up and one that is stagnant. So now we will see that when we place in some glass bottles to the chest, turn it on, it'll push out filled water bottles. Now we will build the tunnel to shoot it up. Take your glass, put 1, 2, 3, 4 to create your tunnel. Put a water source here and go up another layer, water source, up another layer, and water source. Now to know how high we need to go, we want to go over to this dispenser. So we'll place a hopper here with 2 chests here and another hopper right there. Now when we push our tunnel up, we'll have it here, go up, and then you'll take your ice, place it here, and then go up another layer. Now, you'll want to enclose this in so that it goes to the hopper. Place blocks on the top so nothing escapes, and then place 1 more water source here. And you'll see that our water bottles will shoot up, go over, and then go into our hopper. Now close it all up. And this is the completed fully automatic farm. The materials list will be a little, slightly more than what you need. So honestly, following it will get you exactly this. And you can place this wherever you want. You can decorate it however you want. This is applicable in a lot of different ways. And for the record, this farm is going to be 12 blocks in width and 16 blocks in length. Now, in order to run our farm, let me swap back to survival. We'll start by putting our empty bottles in the bottom chest. So put all of our empty bottles here. Flick on our clock, and this will start pushing our water bottles up here, and you'll see that it starts funneling it down into our dispenser. Once that's filled, they'll all just stay up here. There you go. They'll all just stay in the double chest and keep filling up. Next step, you'll want to place a dirt block on the dispenser, waterlog it, and then just sit here. And you just sit here and you click. You don't hold the clicker because it'll go too fast and the machine won't be able to handle it. But you just sit here and you click each time, and then you go until it's 64. And now when you're nearing the end, you'll finish it up, take your shovel, and just mine it all up. And this, each time you do that run, you'll get 64 blocks of mud. And now when you're all done, you should have a stack of mud. In order to reset the farm, we'll come back over here, place our mud, grab a water bottle, waterlog it, and then just keep going. And you can just keep doing that for each and every round and run, and you'll get 64 blocks of mud each time. This way you can get rid of all that pesky dirt that you have and transform it into something else. These mud blocks can be used as is, mainly for decoration, or you can use them to create clay blocks, which is useful for terracotta and trading with villagers for clay balls. So that's it. This is the ultimate automatic mud farm.